Hi everybody, I'm Carlo. You know me as the No Edit Salt Guy. This is the No Edit Salt Guy Cooking Project, and I need a few volunteers. Over the past few months, I've been posting videos like spinach and mushroom all'olio, chicken fettuccine alfredo, and salmon with garlic mayo and friends. I've been posting these videos on my social media pages. What's the common denominator? They all contain less than 400 milligrams of salt. I really love cooking for myself and friends and decided to start doing online cooking classes. To be more specific, a more detailed way of how I prep and cook these meals for myself and everybody else. I'm going to talk about the No Added Salt Guy cooking method / style of using the ingredients within the meal to flavor the meal. How I use stuff like breadcrumbs and cheese as a substitute for salt, and how I use garlic and salt as ingredients rather than spices in the meals. Plus, I work at Walmart. I'm a cashier there. And I see how people shop for pre-made and frozen meals with a ton of preservatives and salt and stuff like that. So I'm also going to cover how to buy in bulk, how to shop for bargains, cooking for 1 or 2 people. It's really kind of hard to buy a whole pork roast. What do you do with that sort of a thing? So I'll be focusing on meal prep, cooking meals for yourself for the week and maybe a couple weeks out. So what I need is a few volunteers. I need, somebody like this guy here. Look at him talking to himself, stuffing pasta down his throat. I need some volunteers to help me fine-tune these classes. What I'll be doing is going over instructions, doing some cooking shorts, some video shorts, things like that, and basically some feedback on what would make the best cooking classes possible. So please follow me on my journey to make the tastiest meals without using a salt shaker. Go to noaddedsaltguy.com for more. You can sign up on the website. No Edit Salt Guy Cooking Project. A little less salt, a little more flavor every day.